letting people in.
Next.
Any seconds now? Oh, finally.
Tail. Check. Come on in.
Wow, the coolest party underwater. Ooh. Oh, let's go. It's our turn.
I heard Little Mermaid is DJing.
We are here for the party.
Great, but wait a sec. Are those feet?
Feet?
Fit?
It's a mermaids only party. See?
What?
What? Let's go.
Wait! Pretty please?
I said mermaids only. Now go.
You don't have to tell me twice. Let's go, kitty.
It's not fair.
Oh, poor thing. Fine.
Whoa!
A makeover kit?
Huh? Isn't this our lucky day?
Let's see what we've got. Me first. Seashells, wow! Wow! I'll start with the first one. What's in it?
I must have one too. Whoa! Black seashells. Just the way I like them. Whoa! What's this? What is it for?
They're glitter patches. They make a great tail. What? It gave me a tail. I'm a mermaid. Look!
Wow! I want one too. But my tail is gonna be darker. I want it with a hint of blue, pink, and purple. Check this out. It's like I was born to be a mermaid.
Are you ready to swim? They look lovely.
You said it, girl.
I can't wait to swim in this.
We are gonna make a splash.
Yeah.
Wow! Whoa!
Are you okay? Hey, see that subscribe button?
Why don't you click to see more of our videos? Can I go first this time? I wonder what's in it. Whoa! A washer? For what?
Beats me. Now, what do you have for me? A rack full of small clothes. It's got every style in it. This one's cute, but it's dirty. Ew. I'll go with something else. It's dirty too. Hang on. Hey, Kurumi.
What? Fine, take it.
Yeah, you're the best.
No, thanks.
Whoops. Sorry. This ain't no ordinary laundry. So, I'll wash it with a dash of mermaid dust. Let's take it to a spin. Oh, it's finally done. Nothing like a fresh set of laundry. Fitting time. Wow, it fits like magic.
Hey, I want new clothes too. You better share, kitty.
Oh, I've got something for you. Pick one.
Purple, of course.
Want some of my mermaid dust?
I'll use my own. Thank you very much. My outfit will be dark, just like the ocean. Down the hatch. Now let's turn on this bad boy. Wow, so relaxing. Oh, what's with that washer? Oh, it's done. Look how gorgeous my top is. Wow. Hey, no picking.
Whoops. Wow, you look beautiful. Alright, my turn. Shell number 3. What do you have for me? Is this what I think it is? Giddy makeup! It has everything I need to turn into a mermaid! I don't even know where to start!
How come she gets all the good stuff? I better get something good too. You've got to be kidding me. Might as well practice breathing underwater. Oh, great. Now my makeup is gone.
Oh, don't mind me. I'm just trying out a new look. I heard sparkle is trending all over TikTok. That's why I'm gonna go all in with diamonds. That deep sea party is gonna be lit. One last touch for the star of the party.
I wish I had makeup too. Hey, there is more over there. Let's go magnet fishing. I'll just hover the line over the makeup. And voila, I've got a full set. All those years fishing for snacks paid off. What a haul! I'll start with purple eyeshadow. I'll put it all over my eyelid and blend it up towards the crease. Now I'll add some blush and some lipstick to complete the look. Just wipe it across for all a light color. And of course, we can't forget some glitter.
Is that glitter? Can I have some?
No.
How about we trade?
For some run-over fishnets? I can make good use of this. I'll wear it all the way up to my elbow. Then put makeup over it.
So, how about a trade? The glitter.
What? Oh, right. Here.
Thanks!
I'll dab makeup on top of the fishnet.
As for me, I'll squeeze some glitter right on my arms. Then I'll use a brush to spread it all over. I want every spot sparkling. Wow, they look just like scales! Can you believe I was a cat 5 minutes ago? Huh? What happened to my ears? They've turned into gills!
Check out my work! Ever since scales this cool, I made them myself.
Your gills are cool too!
Oh, of course! Only the coolest for me! Now let's see what we have here! A boring old key. What am I supposed to do with this?
Alright, my turn! It's just still water! I can't believe it! Not even a fish in sight! Oh, wait! It's a treasure chest! There's something in it, but it's locked!
What? Hey, give me that!
No, it's mine!
I have a key, hello!
Fine!
Open sesame! Whoa! And it fits me perfectly!
Oh, I wish I had a ring! Oh, look! A message in a bottle! Let's open it! Huh? It looks like some sort of a map!
Give me that!
Hey! Found it!
Ouch!
Oh no! Now I don't know where it leads! I must get it back!
I need that other half.
Oh.
Whatever. I don't need it. I'll just follow this line.
What am I gonna do?
Nothing.
Gotcha! Not.
Is it here?
Oh, here? Nuh-uh.
It's here somewhere.
Ouch!
Watch where you are going.
Hey, wanna combine the maps?
Why not?
Whoa! There it is!
Whoa! Wow! It looks just like the map.
I'll start digging here. I hope I find something good. A starfish ring! Jackpot! It goes so well with my look. But we're not done yet. Let's go big or go home. I bet this map has got something more for me. Maybe under this mountain? I knew it! This pearl necklace really ties the look together. Oh, what's under the volcano? A gorgeous headpiece. Now that's explosive.
She got all that from the map? What does it have for me? A pineapple? Under the sea? This is a joke? And there is a fan in it. I'm surely not fan of this. Whoa! It's like a twister! Oh, it's powerful enough to blow anything away! Treasure! I wonder what it is. It's a headpiece. Now I feel just like a mermaid princess. And no mermaid will be seen without her pearls.
Shall I open the next shell? 1, 2, 3! Huh? It's too dark! I'll shine a light in it. What treasure shall I find down there? Bingo! Pink nail polish! Lucky!
That's exactly what I need.
Let's get down to painting. I'll start with the bottom, then swab it to the top of the nail. Repeat for all 5 fingers. Then add some decorations. Did you think I was gonna forget about the glitter? This little mermaid is sparkling all over. What do you think?
It's too pink for me. I sure hope I find something darker. Seems like a normal drawing. There you are. Just the shade I wanted. I'll dab nail polish on every finger. Then I'll get right into decorating. Everything I need is in this container. I'll sprinkle the stars right on the wet nail polish.
Nice! Let's open the last shell together.
Wow!
I see you are done with the makeover.
It's you!
Let's show all the looks. So, what do you think?
Let's see. You've got the bedazzled look down. Sparkling from the headpiece all the way down to the tail. Good.
What about me?
Oh, shells. Nice touch. And girl, you are sparkling. And great job on that tail. You are going to the party.
Yay! Wow!
We're finally in!
Hey, welcome!
You guys look amazing. Oh, where did you get your hair done? It's about to go down.
I know a great spot over there.
Yeah, we made it!
Yay! It's so fun!
My job here is done.
Whew, it's boiling in here. I need a drink.
Who is that? Is it really her? It can't be. And what do we have here? Two little brats playing with toys? You're going with me. Huh? What is it? Barbie? Strange. I don't know. It's so weird. Well, it won't harm us anyway. But is it? Oh no, my sister. Hurry! We must figure out what to do to bring them back. It says cleaning. Then cleaning it must be... You look pretty dirty, dear. But don't worry. We will clean this mess up in no time at all. Let's have a bath first. A special bath, I must admit. It will wash all the dirt away, so you will be just like a brand new Barbie again. And then your pretty face. We'll clean it up with my favorite toothpaste. A few gentle touches, very carefully. It's almost done. Now let's take a look. Amazing. My hair is so wet. Hey, what are you doing? Aw, don't worry, dear. She didn't mean it. Let's clean you up, too. Oh, you're gonna love it. With this, we'll get rid of all the dirt with no effort. Ready? Let's get started then. Woohoo! And your pretty face, of course. It needs special treatment. Well done, and this softie will finish it. Let's see what we've got here. Wow, you're so beautiful. Wednesday, look, I'm clean too. Sure you are. So this one is done. Oh dear, what happened to you? Just look at her. Huh? Oh no, what's happening? Ooh, your Barbie is no way better than mine. Hold on, dear. I know what to do. There's one very effective way to get rid of these nasty things. Just lie still. I will take care of it. Ticklish. And so yummy. Oh, really? Not bad, not bad. But please, concentrate. We need to free my sister, remember? Sure, I'm all for it. Thank you, dear. Huh? You have something here. I don't care. Watch and learn. This mask will clean it all just in a few minutes. I'll just need to attach it very carefully and wait. See? Oh, and what should I do with you, my dear? What will help you? I guess I know the way. Yeah, I remember I used it once myself. Great, and now... Oh no, not again. This is so annoying at times. Oh no, I guess I need to do it the old way. Oh boy, she's doing it again? That's it, this way it is so much better. It stopped. Phew. Wow, now it will definitely help your skin to repair. We will bring your beauty back, I promise. Let me put it on, layer by layer, very carefully. Avoiding lips and delicate skin around the eyes. Perfect! And now we need to wait a bit, and voila! Magnificent! See? It helped. But how? Oh no, we need to do something. Quick, let's do some makeup, darling. I will try to do my best here. And now wait a few seconds till it dries up. Great! It's time to take all the rests away. Food done. And this? No, this is not for my teeth. It's for you, dear. Let's keep it simple. All the simplest things are the most beautiful. It's done. So who's doing it great? We are. Makeup? Easy. But I will do it my way. Dark and gloomy, just like a real vampire. How do you like it, dear? It's cool, but I want those fancy dots like yours too. These? Oh, sure. No problem at all. Here they are. one by one, and my signature, of course. And a necklace, sure. See, your Barbie is still pathetic. She's not, don't listen to her. Toilet, I need a toilet, quick. Oopsie, sure, dear, here you are. Such a relief. Ew, I thought you would take a pee or something. Sorry, dear, I couldn't help it. Ew, that smell. But wait a minute, may I? What? Sorry, I really need some water here. I have an idea. Hope you don't mind it. Oh no, what are you doing? Relax, you will love the results. Now take a look. Isn't it amazing? Wow, I must admit you were right. It's splendid. Huh, that's my school. But she will never surpass me. I can make it so much easier. So how is it, dear? You like it? Yeah, but I need a hairdress too. Sure, I will make some pigtails then, just like mine. Here you are. You look amazing. Thank you. And why not to use these too? These? Okay, as you wish. I just need to crush them into smaller pieces first. Relax. I won't use your pretty head. I need a hammer here. Done. Just what we need. But where were we? Ready? Here you go. Easy, easy. I'm sure you liked it. Okay, I'm impressed. Oh, my pretty little one. Come to mommy. Ew, ew. What? Oh, come on, I'm just kidding. I won't harm it anyway. Wow, what is it there? Is it what I think it is? Cool, this is gonna be a wonderful mermaid bra. I want some too. Let's see what we could fish up here. Hey, it's not fair. It's mine. Sure it is, but who cares? Sharing is everything, you know? Besides, look how marvelous it looks. This bra is so much better. You look perfect, dear. No, it's still not enough. Huh? But why? My nails. Look at my nails. Oh, okay. This also won't be a problem. We'll do it in the same color to match up your hair and makeup. This is so great. I even start to envy you. One more final touch and you're ready. Done. Black is our best friend here. Cool. But we need to move on. There are still some more fun transformations left. Ouch! It's so hot. But it's right what I need to melt these beauties up. Perfect. And now we can add some bright colors. Just a few drops of it. And then mix it up thoroughly. Let's take a look. Wow, it's perfect. But it is still far from ending. So focus. I need to be extra careful not to mess it up. My sister's fate depends on it. And now let's make it shiny. So it will look like a real mermaid tail. Wow, you look so beautiful. A tail, you say? All right, let's make a tail. Only I will use some other time-honored methods. Some glue comes first. All done. And now I need something for the fin. Yummy. May I? Hey, my ice cream. Thank you, dear. You're always of such a help. Now we have a perfect shape. Then it's time to color it all up. Though this time, I will add something new to your image. Gorgeous. Now you really look like a real mermaid. It looks so great, but there's one more thing we need to do here. A crown. I think I know how to make one. Let me see. So this will be the foundation of it. Then I'll add the details. Splendid. And now let's add some pearls. Mermaids love them, right? Let me take a look. Do you like it, dear? I think you look amazing. You're not original, as always. Oh, I have an idea. I love all the Sharpie things. And I think it's right what we need for a fancy crown. This will be the best crown any mermaid ever had. Right, dear? It looks fabulous, thank you. I bet. Fantastic. It went beyond any of my expectations. You will be the winner, dear, I'm sure of it. Don't listen to her, dear. You're the best here. Wee! You will never ever... Hi, dear. Hi. Interesting. Please, let them go, please. These brats? All right, you two, over there. You came. Off you go. I missed you so much. You're safe. Now, everything will be fine. Yeah. Well, it's cool.